Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man. I'm just at a site which I come to every year, and as you can see the nest box is up there on the rafters in what we call the old dovecot. Fantastic building is this, but the owls have decided not to nest in the box up there, and they've nested at this wooden structure here. And if we just look over the top, there's the owls there. So I don't know why they've chose not to nest in the box, but this is what I'd class as a natural nesting site, and that's always good to see. Because 90% of Britain's barn owls nest in nest boxes, so to get them in a natural setting like this is absolutely great. So it looks like there's 4 owlets there, around about 4 weeks. You can see just to the left hand side there's a vole. So yeah, that's fantastic, that, real pleased with that. There's the owls there, through there. Right, I'll just get them out. Just put them in the bags, we'll ring them, weigh them and measure them, and leave them in peace. So that's 15p. So that's them all ringed, measured, and weighed. So we'll get them back where there was, just in the corner of the barn there on the floor. That's fantastic, that. They're all in good condition. So we'll get them back up to the nest site. Fantastic old barn is this. It really is. Quite dark up here though, so I had to bring the owlets out because I couldn't see what I was doing. It's a bit too dark even with the torch. Right, I'm just going to get the owls back to where I got them from. Right, get right in the corner. It was tucked up right in the corner. Right, mate. There's one. It's the youngest one. Right. There you go, mate. Three. One, mate. That's it. Fourth. Let's make sure they're right in. Right. There, perfect. All back there. Right, hopefully it'll all get off nice. I can't see why they walk because it was all nicely fed. We've got a great building here. Look at this is fantastic, this. Got all this room just to exercise the wings and get strong for the outside world. All these perches here, what they can perch on. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. So I can't emphasise enough how important buildings like these are for barn owls. So right, leave them be. Thanks for watching.